SRC have denied that none of its funds was misappropriated as claimed by those with malicious intent. SRC further added, "We strongly reject these allegations. Having conducted an internal investigation, we believe that these claims were based on documents that were fabricated, therefore representing a deliberate attempt to mislead the public." Now, SRC is involved in a controversy where the Wall Street Journal, who has not been sued by the Prime Minister today, the Wall Street Journal produced evidence to show that SRC transferred 50 million ringgit into its subsidiary Gandengan Mentari Sendirian Berhad, which then transferred the 50 million ringgit into Ehsan Perdana Sendirian Berhad, which is a private company whose job is to spend money on behalf of 1MDB for corporate social responsibility. The issue here is SRC in its statement made a very broad denial. They made a sweeping denial without any specifics. The questions are actually very simple. They are simple yes and no questions. Okay? Did SRC International transfer 50 million to Gandengan Mentari, its subsidiary? Did Gandengan Mentari transfer 50 million to Ehsan Perdana, the company tasked to perform CSR? And did Ehsan Perdana transfer 42 million ringgit into Datuk Seri Najib Razak's personal bank account? Itu saja. If there is, then you justify what that money was used for. If you are unable to justify, then Malaysians can only conclude it is pecah amanah. It is criminal breach of trust. It is misappropriation. Now, transferring money from a Ministry of Finance subsidiary into the account, personal bank account of the Minister of Finance, is a very serious issue. Okay? It puts to question the whole governance structure within the Ministry of Finance and in all our government-linked companies. Instead, SRC chose to be hyperbolic, calling on all those quarters who are engaged in efforts to overthrow the government, to desist from involving SRC in their political campaign and to avoid making false and unsubstantiated allegations. Now, the substantiation has already been provided by Wall Street Journal. They published all the documents, okay, online. So up to today, there's been no denial on the veracity of these documents other than the broad sweeping denials. Okay? We would like to ask the Ministry of Finance to inform us who exactly is running SRC International today. Siapa yang menjadi pengurus bagi SRC?